Boudreaux and his buddies planning a big fishing trip down on Bayou Decade. But Boudreaux tells them, "Shaw, I can't go. Clotilde won't let me." Well, his buddies roast him for hours. Friday afternoon, the boys pull up to the camp and nearly wreck the truck. There's Boudreaux already sitting on the dock, cold beer in hand, feet propped up on the ice chest, pit smoking, fishing pole in the water. His buddies yell, "Boudreaux, how in the world you talk Clotilde into letting you come?" Boudreaux grins and says, "I didn't. Yesterday I got home looking sad, sat down with a beer. Then suddenly Clotilde snuck up behind me, covered my eyes and said, 'Surprise!' When I turned around, she was standing there in a see-through negligee, and she said, 'Carry me into the bedroom, tie me to the bed, and you can do whatever you want.'" Boudreaux takes a sip of beer. "So here I am.